Many of the students have written to me that they are struggling to download resource file. So essentially when they go into resource and they see these files, when they download, I just clicked here and it got downloaded. The download is usually visible into this download area. Once you download, it usually comes here. It usually is coming with these plus signs. If you take a look, all these, wherever there was a space, got replaced by plus sign, and the extension of the file is not known. What you need to understand, there is some bug that has crept in Udemy platform in last 2-3 months time. These courses are there from very long, and these were not there. So if you take a look, this course was there from 4-5 years kind of, and this whatever is happening is a recent phenomena, and that has really created problem for many students. If you take a look at the question, lot of questions are coming that I'm not able to download file, I'm not able to open file. So that's where I decided that I'll make a video so that you can understand how you can still deal with these files. So let me explain you part by part what to do. So once you have downloaded these files, it is coming here, all these. I will take that and change it. Also, you don't need to make a note. I will in fact recap everything through this PPT so that you don't need to struggle to make a note of the steps or anything. So I downloaded these files. I clicked on these files. So essentially, let me just do once again. I'm doing chi-square. It is coming here, and it has again gone to this particular area, download area. Now what I'll suggest you take a look at these all files. I'll just take all these files, and what I'll do here, I will just go to one folder. I'll copy and paste everything into that particular folder. So what I'll do here, I'll just make a temp folder here. I'm putting all these files here. Now after that, what you need to do, first of all, keep in mind, whenever I'm using any file, I mostly tell you what kind of file it is. So if you take a look, I'm saying it's a gif.xls. I'm saying gift_sas_code.formatted doc. So if you take a look, this is what it is coming. The extension has gone, but here I've already written. In fact, like many times what you will see that, when I'm in the video, I will show you that, okay, this is the file, this is how it is looking. So if you take a look, it's already telling you that it's a XLS file, right? Extension. If you take a look, if you make it larger, in fact, you can see it's, let me just make it even larger. You take a look here, it is coming as gift.xls, right? So all the file that I'm using, and by look itself, it's a Word document. It's a older Word document. So it is coming that which file format it is, right? I've written everywhere that what kind of file format it is. But look, take a look, I've written here, it is a XLSX file. So what you need to do here, just as per the file, go here, it's a XLS file. So just select here, select this file, right click, select rename, and when you go rename, remove the plus sign. Now you put XLS, right? You do it here. Now you double click, it will open with Excel, and it should work perfectly. It should just open. So if you take a look, okay, it's already open, that's why it has not opened. I'll just close and try to open it once again. So double click it. Right now Excel is not open. It will open comfortably. I guess the other file is open. So let me just close it so that when I open it, it works perfectly. Now if you take a look, it has started working and you can see this data. Take a look at the other XLSX file. So this is the XLSX file, means latest format Excel file, Excel 2000. So what I'm going here, I'm just again removing the plus by the underscore, and then I'm just at the end, what I'll do, I'll put XLSX file. You hit enter here. Now if you take a look, you just double click, it should open without any issue. So if you take a look, it has come perfectly, right? All the tabs and everything is visible. Now this Word document, right? You know this is a Word document. What I'll suggest again, rename. Again, underscore is something that I am putting for my convenience because I prefer that way, that the name is clearly visible. And you know it's a doc file, so you just put DOC. If it was a newer format, it would have come DOCX. So when I double click it, it has opened perfectly, right? So let me recap what you need to do. Download the file, take a copy into separate file. Why I have done that? So that if any mistake happens, you can again take it and take it there, so that your original files are all intact. You know, you are not missing anything there. Now, what is the next step? You know, rename it based on the type of file, and file type is clearly visible in my video, right? If you take a look, I have already explained what kind of file it is. However, let me give you a hint again. If it is a newer Excel 2016 file, you will have to use XLSX, docx for Word 2016, doc if it is an older version file, and similarly docxls if it is an older version of Excel, .txt for text file, .csv for comma separated file, and .xlsm for the macro enabled file. Here this macro enabled file is file that contains the VBA. Here when you press Alt F11, it will take you to the VBA code. I hope it helps you. Do post me if at all it does not help and you require certain help once again.